These are some of the craziest nature videos caught on camera over the past 10 years. And the further this video goes, the more insane the clips become. Back in 2019, this tornado in Amsterdam formed almost instantly.
Listen, what the f? Yeah, een tornado.
Oh! Nee!
Ja.
Allemaal zo naar binnen ritsen! Oh! Oh! Oh nee! Oh! Wat erg!
In April 2024, this giant tornado was seen moving across Canada. Wyoming experienced some incredibly powerful winds earlier this year. Passengers on this cruise ship suddenly experienced extreme static electricity, a terrifying sign that lightning could strike at any second. In 2019, a glacier collapse in Iceland created a gigantic wave near tourists. Flooding in Puerto Rico became so severe in 2022 that it completely destroyed this bridge. In June 2020, a massive landslide in Norway collapsed directly into the sea, destroying homes nearby. Back in 2020, a snowstorm mixed with freezing rain in New York, turning homes into ice. In 2022, a huge meteor lit up the skies over Idaho.
Oh my god!
These homes in Montana were buried under giant piles of tumbleweeds. Back in 2018, lava completely swallowed this house in Hawaii. Earlier this year in Taiwan, a man inside a swimming pool experienced a powerful earthquake. Drivers in Sydney, Australia experienced this terrifying moment during severe weather.
Wow! Whoa! Oh my god!
An enormous sinkhole randomly opened up in Illinois earlier this year. Four water spouts suddenly appeared off the coast of Thailand.
Mirá, mirá. No, el que viene de abajo. No.
Back in 2018, one of the largest tornadoes in Wyoming history was captured on camera. This is what it looks like when lightning strikes a plane cockpit mid-flight. In April 2022, a massive tornado tore through Kansas. And in Florida back in 2020, people witnessed an unbelievable lightning storm.
Oh!
This footage from Guatemala captured one of the rarest weather events ever recorded.
I hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy. Whoa, look at that! The red one, you see that?
Dicen que es grande, ¿va mucha?
¡Wow!
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo agarraste. Ah, lo agarré, cabal.
This dad tried saving his trampoline from being blown away by strong winds.
Hey, get out of there!
He will get taken too.
Oh my gosh. Bennett!
And nearly got taken with it. A powerful earthquake interrupted this couple's wedding ceremony. In 2021, firefighters drove directly through raging wildfires in California. This footage from 2015 shows sailors preparing to face an absolutely enormous wave. A snowboarder in Nevada accidentally triggered a massive avalanche. These climbers in Japan were hanging from a mountain when an earthquake suddenly hit. Back in 2019, a cruise ship near Norway encountered some terrifying waves.
Get that on video.
It's officially over.
This giant boulder came within inches of crushing an entire house, while other boulders destroyed part of the building. In 2020, a plane flying over Finland was suddenly struck by lightning. Back in 2018, people in Pakistan got dangerously close to an avalanche. People always say icebergs are bigger underwater, but this is just insane. In May 2016, one of the largest tornadoes in Kansas history was spotted.
That's good.
In Hawaii back in 2018, this car was parked in the absolute worst place possible. This reporter in France got way too close to a giant wave. Around 6 years ago, people recorded their terrifying escape while driving through wildfires in California. Back in 2015, Los Angeles experienced a rare tornado event. Here's another terrifying rock slide caught on camera in China. One man risked everything just to grab something he left outside in the rain. This hailstorm in Texas became so intense that hail literally started entering the home. About a year ago, a violent tornado passed directly by this man's house in Illinois. In 2019, a giant landslide in China was caught on camera. This is what the morning commute into Los Angeles looked like back in December 2017.
Los Angeles back in December 2017.
Got my umbrella, but I know I'm gonna get wet. And look out, like, our street is starting to flood.
And in 2019, Southern California witnessed a super rare event that brought both snow and snow lightning.
Because you have there's too much on the
Nebraska experienced some absolutely insane tornadoes earlier this year. This volcano eruption in Indonesia created some of the craziest volcanic lightning ever recorded.
Yeah.
On November 30th, 2018, a powerful 7.0 earthquake shook Alaska. Back in 2014, a volcano in Papua New Guinea erupted so violently that it created a massive shockwave.
Here we go. Where do we get the move?
This driver in China was only seconds away from disaster after huge rocks started crashing onto the road. In Switzerland back in 2018, a gigantic mudslide came rushing down the side of a mountain. This guy was loading up his car until he suddenly remembered he forgot his wallet. These hikers in Argentina suddenly realized they were standing in one of the worst possible spots imaginable. And in 2020, this cruise ship heading toward Ireland ran straight into monster waves in the middle of the ocean. Back in 2017, Greenland was hit by a terrifying tsunami that shocked everyone nearby. This man was visiting the glaciers in Iceland when a massive piece of ice suddenly snapped off and crashed into the water right in front of him.
Wow! Wow!
The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
If these clips shocked you, then you already know nature can be absolutely terrifying. Let me know if you want a part 2 with even crazier videos, and I'll see you again very soon.